Hello YouTube. This is not about Glock 19. Today I will demonstrate how to shoot the Diana RWS 34 Panther, the black one. This is made from Germany. The RWS 34 they made the nice stock, very good one, and they have the safety. When you break and roll it, when you want to shoot, you just push it, and you can shoot it. Okay. The trigger, they're made from the plastic, very good material. And the rear side, they have the two green, but they already gone. I will change new one later. And the front side is a red fiber optic. Okay, I will shoot the prey. This is about 10 yards from my home. I will shoot the prey. You see, and listen for the responding. Very accurate. I really love about it. Thank you for watching.